County, Illinois, northeastern Livingston County, Kentucky, northwestern Crittenden County, Kentucky, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:52 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Joy, or 13 miles west of Marion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following events are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Roseclair, Joy, Cave and Rock, Elizabethtown and Carsville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. for the following county, Hardin, Illinois, and the following counties, in Kentucky, Crittenden and Livingston. The National Weather